Let me show you how to set up eSIM virtual SIM card on any Google Pixel phone, including the newest 8A. So first you actually need to get your eSIM, and that is usually by QR code. Also, some network providers might simply give you this eSIM activation address and code. You can use either way. So then on your Pixel, go to your settings, network and internet, SIMs, and click add SIM. Next, you actually need to make sure you are connected to a network such as like LTE network or Wi-Fi. As long as you have some kind of internet, that's okay. So click set up eSIM. Next, what we need to do is we need to simply scan this QR code using this camera. If you don't have the QR code, basically you can also enter it here manually using the code provided by your carrier. But let's scan it. Okay, and it's pretty much instant. So then you have to wait, usually around 20 seconds. So pretty fast actually this time. And again, wait some moment. Okay, once done, you have to basically go to your settings, then click on your new eSIM that you installed, click on that and make sure to enable it. Okay, let's turn it on. And my service is ready. Also, make sure you have your mobile data enabled here as well. Also, if you have a physical SIM card installed, you can also click on these calls and SMS preferences. So that basically means which SIM card basically will be used as default for calls and SMS. So that's also pretty handy. And that's it. Good luck, guys. See you.